Yes, the spec side, this is a 41, so it had a nice big grill.
Yeah.
And also it's a 3/4 ton, half ton. The half ton is a lot shorter. So it's quite a rare thing. But the window.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Originally this wasn't chrome, we've chromed all this.
Yeah, very nicely done, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. So yeah, and it was a special tour made.